Hello everyone, so welcome back in the new video. So in last video we created a ZFS file system with a single disk as well as mirror disk. So and we also added a new disk to the existing ZFS file system. So if you see here, we have data pool and the file system is ZFS and total size is this one, used is this one, and it is mounted at this one, this mount point. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can extend the pool with existing disk. So if you see here, there are STB which is used to create this pool. So zpool status. So if you see here, this single disk is being used to create this pool. So now I'm going to extend this disk, and so that this ZFS this Z pool will be extended, this data pool. So let's uh, go to this server. Now I will stop the server. Okay, go to settings and hard disk, and I'm going to extend. So previously it was 2 GB, so I will extend it to 4 GB, and let's apply. Okay, and let's power on the system. Okay, so it may take few seconds to boot the system. Okay, so the system is up now. So let me log into the system. Okay, open the terminal. So if you see here, it's still 2 GB, but I have extended the disk used to create this pool to the 4 GB. So let me switch to the sudo user. Okay, so now zpool status. Okay, lsplk. So if you see here, this SDB is 4 GB, but this STB1 is only 2 GB, that is being assigned to this pool, data pool. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to remove this partition STB9, and I will extend STB1 to total 4 GB. So currently it's 2 GB, but I will extend it to the 4 GB. So for that, what we can do is parted dev stb and then rm9 to remove the partition number 9. Hit enter. Okay, so now I am going to I want to extend the partition stb1 to the its total size. So what I am going to do is resize, and the partition number is 1 to 100%, and hit enter. Okay, I think syntax is mistake. So resize should be resize part and the partition number, and then to this to 100% and hit enter. Okay, and now part probe and hit enter and check if the pool size is extended or not. Okay, so even I have extended this, it is not extended. I mean, the pool is not extended to 4 GB. So let's check the one parameter. So the parameter is auto expand and the pool name. ZFS zpool get expand and the data pool name. So data pool is pool. Okay, so okay, so auto, I am wrong, typed wrong. So okay, so if you see here, this auto expand parameter is set to off, so that's the reason the z pool is not extended. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set auto expand parameter to on and pool name, so hit enter. Okay, now get, so if you see here, now it is set to on. So clear screen, and so still it's 4 GB, I mean 2 GB, but it should be 4 GB. So I'm going to extend this one, SDB and resize part and 1 to 100%. So I'm going to this one, and then so to part probe is used to inform the kernel about the change in the partition. So hit enter, and now SD. Okay, so now it's extended to almost 4 GB. So this is it. So how we can extend the existing disk to extend this ZFS pool. So we have done this one. Now I'm going to show you. So in the last video we saw some parameters or some options to create the ZFS file system with best practices. But in this video I'm going to show you some more parameter for the best practice. So the next option is a sync parameter. So data and pool. So if you see here, it's a standard. So we will change the value standard to we will disable. So let's open. Arcstat. So okay, so I'm going to change this parameter from on to standard to disabled state. So by default, so like ZFS is synchronously in ZFS file system, data is like synchronously retained to the disk before acknowledging the computer completion of the operation. So it provides data integrity. But if you want some more, I mean, performance with the expense of durability, then you can set this sync to disabled. Similarly, for this XCT, we can change this parameter XCTR to SA. This is system attributes. So what this will do is ZFS will store the system attributes along with a file system or directory as a metadata. So uh, we will be changing these two parameter. Okay, so sync I will set this one, and then xtttt parameter to sc and hit enter. So get, so if you see here, it's now in disabled state. Okay, so this is all about this video. I will show you how we can tune further the ZFS file system, so that um, memory uses for cache by ZFS file system will be very limited, or only the required memory will be used. So I will be showing in that in the next video. Thanks for watching.